Good morning children. How are you all children? Children, today I am going to teach you rhymes. See here, subject rhymes, topic bells rhyme and two little dicky birds rhyme. Today we are going to learn two rhymes children. First I will read the bells rhyme, then we will do with the action. Okay children? I will read this. Let us ring the bicycle bell. Ting a ling, okay. Let us ring the school bell. Ding dong ding. Let us ring the fire bell. Clang clang clang. Let us ring the sleigh bell. Jingle jingle jam. Okay children. So now we'll do with the action, okay. Let us ring the bicycle bell. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. Let us ring the school bell. Ding dong ding. How the school bell will ring children? Ding dong ding. Okay. Then let us ring the fire bell. Clang clang clang. Let us ring the sleigh bell. Jingle jingle jang. It's very easy, no children? So please do learn this bells rhyme. Once again, I'll sing this rhyme. Let us ring the bicycle bell. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. Let us ring the school bell. Ding dong ding. Let us ring the fire bell. Clang clang clang. Let us ring the sleigh bell. Jingle jingle jang. It's very easy rhyme, no children? So please do learn this bells rhyme. Then we'll learn two little dicky birds rhyme. Okay. First I'll read the rhyme children. Then we'll do with the action. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. So now we'll learn this rhyme children, okay. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. It's very easy rhyme, no children? Once again I'll sing the rhyme. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. It's very easy rhyme children. So please do learn this bells rhyme and two little dicky birds rhyme. Okay, I just refer the rhymes book. See, this is your Periwinkle Nursery Classic Rhymes book. In this rhymes book, page number 30, we have bells rhyme and two little dicky birds rhyme. Okay, so please do learn these two rhymes children. Parents, please help your child to learn these rhymes. Thank you parents. Thank you children.